Good morning, my dear student. I think you are all well. Now, today we will discuss on English class. Okay. Today I will take a class for class 6 and it is our first class. My dear student, now before starting our class, I will ask some question to you. You will try to answer the question. Okay. Suppose when you go to market for buying something, then what do you make? Can anyone say? When you go to market, what do you usually make for your buying necessary things? Suppose you make a list. Okay, you make a list because without making a list you cannot buy all your necessary things properly. You may make any mistake, so you must need a list of your things. My dear student, today we will discuss for these types of a lesson. Can anyone say which lesson in your class 6 is included with shopping? Okay, grocery shopping. Okay, my dear student, today our lesson is grocery shopping. Now open your book. Lesson 8, grocery shopping. Okay. Today our lesson is grocery shopping. Now in section A, here you will get, at first you will listen the instruction first. Okay, here the instruction is, some guests will visit Imran's house tonight, so Imran's mother will cook dinner for them. She asks Imran to go to the local market. He often forgets to buy the necessary item, so his mother is making a shopping list for him. He is helping his mother make the list. Now your task is, here there is a dialogue. Okay, Now you will read the conversation silently within 5 minutes. If you get any types of difficult words, you will underline the word, and then after completing the conversation, we will try to explain the difficult words. Okay. For your better understanding, I am reading the dialogue. Now you will listen very carefully. Here, Imran, Mom, what do I need to buy? Imran is asking to her mother, what do I need to buy? Now, Mom is giving answer, well, see, if we have enough potatoes, Imran, we have some potatoes, but I don't think it's enough, Mom. Then get half kg of potatoes. How about tomatoes? Imran, I don't see any tomatoes. Mom, are there any other vegetables? Imran, yes, there are some beans, carrots, cucumber, and eggplants. That's all. Mom, well, I'll need 1 kg of tomatoes, half kg of beans, and 2 cauliflowers. Mom, are there any eggs? There, Imran, there are only 3 eggs. Maybe I will buy a dozen more. Mom, oh, yes, get more sugar and milk and 1 liter of oil too. Imran, okay, 1 liter of milk and 1 kg of sugar. Mom, one more things. There, you are forgetting your list. Here it is. Imran, oh, thanks, Mom. Okay, my dear student, already I have read the conversation. I think you have listened it very carefully. Okay. Now here there are some name of vegetables like cauliflowers. Do you know cauliflowers? Cauliflowers. Cauliflowers. Okay. It's one kind of vegetables. Okay. It's one kind of vegetable. Bangla meaning is full copy. Okay. Cauliflowers. Here there may be also new words bean. Do you know bean? It is also a one kind of vegetable. Okay. Bangla meaning is sin. Do you know bean? Okay. Another difficult word maybe here. Eggplants. Eggplants. Okay. It is also a vegetable. Bangla meaning is begun. Okay. Now, my dear student, you may have also some name of vegetables in this conversation. I think you have no difficulties. Now, please turn over your page. Here you can see section A1. Now, at first you will listen, you will read the instruction firstly. Okay. Section A1. What can we see? For your better understanding, I am reading the instruction firstly. Now look at the shopping list below. Here there is given a shopping list. Okay. At first, you will look at the shopping list below. You have read the conversation above. Already we have read the conversation. Now put a tick against the items that Imran will buy and put a cross against the items he will not buy. Write the quantity of the items he is buying in the list column. What is done for if. For your better understanding, what is done. You can see number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Okay. Then you can see the name of some items. And here there is also a marks. Okay. And your right hand side, the quantity is given. Now your DP, and you will check or you will read the conversation A again, and then you will complete section A1. Suppose one is done for you, potato. Imran wanted to buy it, so there is given a tick marks here, and how much he wanted to buy, half kg. Like this you will write or you will complete section 1. I think you have no problem to complete this section A1. Okay, my dear student, after completing your task, you will check it. Okay. Now, we will discuss section B. Here, there is also given a dialogue. Okay. For your better understanding, I am now reading. I am reading the conversation. You will read the conversation very carefully. Salesman. Hello, how can I help you? Imran, do you have any beans? Salesman, yes, we do. How much would you like? Imran, I would like half kg, and I will also need 1 kg of tomatoes, 2 kgs of potatoes, 2 cauliflowers, a dozen of eggs, and some salt. Salesman, do you need well, sir? Imran, yes, I need a liter of oil. Salesman, do you need anything else? Imran, let me check. Oh, yes, could I have some sugar and milk? Salesman, sure. How much milk do you want? Imran, just 1 liter and 1 kg of sugar, please. Salesman, okay, let me find all the items for you. Imran, thanks. Please put them in a paper or jute bag. Salesman, sure. We don't use plastic bags here. Here you go. I have put all the items here. Imran, thank you. How much is the total? Salesman, the total comes to take taka 535. Imran, here is 550. Salesman, thank you. Here is the change. 15 taka. Have a good day. Imran, thanks. Bye. My dear student, now listen to me very carefully. Here there is also a conversation. Imran, after going to market, when Imran was buying some necessary things, what types of language he usually uses with the salesman, and the salesmen also how what types of language he say to Imran. Now your task is section B1. Here discuss the following question in pairs. Now you will discuss the given question with your partner. Okay. For your better understanding, I am telling one question. How many items did Imran buy? Okay. If you want to write this question, then you will read section B again. And what types of things Imran wanted to buy, you will underline the things and make a list. Okay. Then you will give the answer. Then what varieties of vegetables are available in the market? What types of vegetables are here usually used in this conversation? You will at first underline the name of the vegetables and then you will give the answer. Then number C, why do you think Imran asked the salesman to use a paper bag? Discuss with your class friends and then write down one or two reasons. Okay. Actually, my dear student, you know, polythene bags is very dangerous for our environment. Okay. So, Imran knows that polythene bag is not good for our environment, is not good for our human life. They always destroy our soil. Okay. They are not rotted by any way. So here Imran did not want polythene bags. Okay. He wanted to a jute bags for giving his necessary things. Now you will write it. Okay. Then thank you. Here is the same. What does the word change mean here? When Imran gave 1,000 and 100, 500 and 550 taka, then the salesman said, here the same. Here is the same. So here change is how much money the salesman gave it to Imran. Okay, my dear student, now you will write down the question very carefully and then I will check it. Now we will go section B2. Here there is given a task. Okay, at first we will read the instruction. Firstly, read the sentences present in the 8 space bubbles. Here there are given some bubbles. Put them in the right order from 1 to 8 to write down the conversation in your notebook. My dear student, please listen to me very carefully, okay? If you want to buy something and if you go for buying any necessary things in a market or in a shop, then how you will start your language with the salesman, and what types of question you will usually ask to the salesman. So here there are eight bubbles, and you will these bubbles are not well arranged. Firstly, you will read the bubbles and then you will try to arrange these bubbles. And uh, if you can arrange these bubbles very clearly, then you will be able to write a dialogue or a conversation. When you will also able to buy something in a market, when you will go in a foreign country or you will go a big city, then if you want to ask asking some question, or if you want to buy something from a very luxurious shop, and if you want to speak in English, then what types of language you will usually use? If you uh, for your better understanding, I want to give one example. If you want to buy something, firstly, when you will go to buy in a shop, at first, as a customer, firstly, you will ask the salesman, excuse me. As a customer, you can say, excuse me. Okay. When you will say, excuse me, then the salesman will pay attention to it and he will ask, can I help you like this? Okay, my dear student, uh, now your task is, your home task is, today's your home task is, after reading these 8 vowels, you will complete a dialogue. Okay. I will check your home task. I will check your home task tomorrow. You will write your home task is, or homework is, write a dialogue between you and salesman for buying some necessary things from a library. Okay, you will write a dialogue for buying some necessary things from a library. What types of things we usually get in a library? You will try to buy these things, and here you have a customer. Okay, here you are a customer and you want to buy some your necessary things, and you will complete a dialogue. Tomorrow I will check it. Okay, my dear student, see you again in your next class, and thanks to connect with me, and thanks to join with us on our online class. Okay.